here.
Justice retired BP Katake, who heads the single-member committee that was constituted by the High Court of Meghalaya, today incinerated coal in the 3 districts, except for East Janta Hills, should be transported within 4 weeks' time from now. Talking to reporters, Katake said that in today's meeting, they have concentrated on the transportation of left-out inventorized coal in the designated East Janta Hills district, even as he added that he will propose a recommendation on the time limit to be set for the transportation of the left-out coal. There are around 1.56 lakh metric tons of coal in East Janta Hills, which is yet to be transported.
I concentrated on the transportation of left-out inventoried coal from pithead to the designated depot. In 3 districts, other than we have 4 coal-producing districts. The major coal-producing district, as you know, is the East Janta Hills district. So, other than East Janta Hills district, the transportation of inventoried coal would be completed maybe within 2, 3 or 4 weeks.